What's going on, YouTube? Although I don't eat the fried food, I'm always requested to make the fried food. And I'm going to show you a really quick way to make good fried food. I already battered it up, but I used stone ground white cornmeal. I season it with fish seasoning, which has salt, garlic, parsley, and spices. And then salmon seasoned by Chef Paul, and a little Louisiana hot sauce. Can't go without the Louisiana hot sauce. But I washed my seafood, I seasoned my seafood, and then I put it in a Ziploc bag with the cornmeal. You have to flour or cornmeal your seafood before you fry it, and it has to sit. It has to sit with the coating on it for at least 10 to 15 minutes, if not longer. You can put it in the refrigerator like this until you're ready to fry it. Do not go right out of the dredge and right into the oil. Don't go right from the dredge right into the oil. Say it with me. Don't go right from the dredge to the oil. It has to sit like this for at least 10 minutes minimum before you fry it. That's how your coating sticks. That's how your coating is a homogenized thing instead of just this crumbly mess that comes off of either fish or chicken. Alright, so you want to check your oil and see if it's hot. So you take a little bit of what you're frying and you drop it in there. And that's hot. I'm going to lower it down just a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and put my stuff in here. I'm going to put it in there and then I'll come right back. Okay, once you got all the shrimp in the oil, you wait for a little bit and then you add some butter. Do this with one hand. This is not meant to be healthy. I promise you. It's not meant to be healthy. Put that butter in there. And what that do is give you all your little crispy bits. The butter makes nice crispy bits all over your shrimp. See, I can dig in this because I'm a professional. But don't dig in no hot ass grease. But yeah, that butter is going to give that nice bit of crispiness. And we have some whitings here, which has been coated and sitting on the plate. That's going to go next. But again, you go not from the dredge to the oil. You got to dredge it and let it sit so that the coating really sticks nice and well on there. Alright, so I'm going to pause and I'll come back when I'm about to flip these shrimp. Okay, now it's almost time to flip. Shrimp don't take that long. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. I don't care how good the breading is. If they're tough and rubbery, you're screwed. You just want to take your time and flip each one. Frying is something that I'll never not do as healthy as I get. I'm sorry. No apologies necessary. I like to be healthy, but every now and again, you gotta get a good fried shrimp in your life. Alright, a piece of fish snuck in there. I don't know how that happened. He's just gonna stay in there. Alright, I'll come back in a minute. Alright, now they're pretty much done here. Taking them out here and putting them on a paper towel. What? They don't get any perfect than that. I'll come back when they're all out. Alright, now I got my fish in here. And again, gentle. Keep it gentle. You don't have to cook too fast because you'll burn it. It's nice and gentle. Nice little pan fry. But here are the shrimp, which are nice and done. And when I go to eat them, I'll put a squeeze of lime juice and a little bit more hot sauce on there, and those will be perfect. You can also do like a cocktail sauce with these if you want to, but this is what's going to be just like that, with a little lime juice and a little hot sauce. And then we have our fish here. Just flip them, and as you can see, there, doing all right. Nice golden brown. I might flip them one more time, and then they'll be done. Fish does not take that long to fry, and you have to remember it continues to cook, so you don't want to cook it too much in the oil, and then you come up with something that's just way too hard. So you want to gentle fry it. And take it out when it's just golden brown. Alright, this is everything all done. Nicely fried. Here's my shrimp. Okay, now remember, don't eat this shit all the time, but when you do, you gotta do it right. Alright. Happy frying. Peace and love.